Okay, let us continue locus chapter, sir. Today we'll see some problems based on. We have seen distance problems, sir. All the distance problems. There are 4 problems are there with the distance. But before doing that, let us see area of the triangle. Take this. Let us see the problem. A 2, 3, B minus 3, 4 are 2 points. Find the locus of P if area of the triangle area of the triangle PAB is 8.5. So solution, let P is x comma y, A point is 2, 3, B point is minus 3, 4. A is P is x comma y, A is 2, 3, B is x minus 3, 4. So what is the area of the triangle? Formula 1/2 x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, so 1/2. x1 means this value, x into y2 means 3. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So 3 minus 4 plus x2 means what, sir? 2 into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So that's what I am putting. Next y3 minus y1, 4 minus y plus what is the x3? Minus 3 into y1 minus y2. So y minus 3 is equal to how much he has given? 8.5. So 1/2 into x into minus 1, 3 minus 4 minus 1 plus 2 into 4 minus y minus 3 into y minus 3 is equal to 8.5. So what I'll do, cross multiply with 2, sir. Appudu emutundi minus x into minus 1 minus x, 2 into 4 8 minus 2y minus 3y plus 9 is equal to 8.5 into 2. So this becomes what? Minus x minus 5y plus 17 minus x minus 2y minus 3y minus 5y plus 17 is equal to 8.5 into 2 is how much, sir? 17. Now modulus unnadu kabatti there is a modulus, so what we have to write is equal to 17 or minus x minus 5y plus 17 is equal to minus 17. One time you have to write plus sign, inkosari minus sign rayali, sir. One time plus sign, next time minus. So minus x minus 5y plus 17 minus 17 is equal to 0 or minus x minus 17 plus 17 is equal to 0. So 17 will get cancelled, is equal to 0 or minus x minus 5y plus 34 is equal to 0. Remove the minus sign. X plus 5y is equal to 0 or x plus 5y minus 34 is equal to 0. So locus వచ్చింది కదా, therefore locus we have to multiply both of them. రెండింటిని multiply చేయాలి, సార్. What I remembered is x plus 5y into x plus 5y plus 34 is equal to 0. Is it clear? So ఇక్కడ area of the triangle formula యూస్ చేయాలి, సార్. Substitute the values. ఎప్పుడు x1 y1, x2 y2, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Substitute the values. ఇక్కడ 2 into 8.5 చేస్తే 17 వస్తుంది, సార్. సో ఒకసారి ప్లస్ తీసుకోవాలి, ఇంకోసారి మైనస్ తీసుకోవాలి, సార్. వన్ టైం ప్లస్, అదర్ వన్ మైనస్. దెన్ బ్రింగ్ ద టర్మ్స్, సింప్లిఫై దిస్. ప్లీజ్ నోట్ డౌన్. Okay, let us see one more problem, area of the triangle. What is the question? Find the A and A. Now here what is the point? 5, 3. And what is the B point? B point is 3, minus 2. A is 5, 3, 3 is B is 3 comma minus 2 are 2 points. Find the locus of the P if area of the triangle is 9. Again, let P is x comma y, A is 5 comma 3, B is 3 comma minus 2. Again, same procedure. Again, 1 by 2. x1, y1, x2, y2. So, x1 is what, sir? X into y2 minus y3. 3 minus of minus 2. 3 minus of minus 2 plus x2 5 into y3 minus y1 minus 2 minus y, right, minus 2 minus y, then x3 is what, sir? 3 into y1 minus y2 y minus 3. Okay, so 1 by 2, this is equal to how much? 9. So x into minus of minus plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 into plus 3 into is equal to 9. Okay, cross multiply. So in the modulus 3 plus 2 5 sir, 5x out nikara. Then open the bracket, minus 10 minus 5y plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 9 into 2. Okay, sir, 2 cross multiplication. So this because 5x minus 2y minus 10 means minus 18, minus 19 is equal to 18. So 5x minus 5y plus 3y minus 2y minus 10 minus 18, 19. So again is equal to 18 or 5x minus 2y minus 19 is equal to 18, minus 18. Okay, so this becomes what? 5x minus 2y minus 18 is equal to 0 or 5x minus 2y minus 19 plus 18 is equal to 0. So 5x minus 2y minus 37 is equal to 0. 5x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, simplification, sir. Therefore, locus ఏం చేయాలి సార్? 5x minus 2y minus 37 into 5x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to same problem, only numbers change అయినాయి సార్. There are some changes in the numbers, procedure is same. Okay, area of the triangle. Okay, please note on this. Let us see one more problem. Again, what is A point A is given? A is 1 comma 1, B is minus 2 comma 3 are the 2 points. Area of the triangle, no PAB, how much A is given? 2. Observe here, same problem. A 1 comma 1, B minus 2 comma 3. Again, substitute the values. 1 by 2. x1 means x, y2 minus y3, 1 minus 3 plus x2 means 1, y3 minus y1, so 3 minus y plus x3 means minus 2 into y1 minus y2, y minus 1 is equal to how much? He has given 2. First point is 8.5, second one integers are 9, third one integer 2, so 1 by 2. So x into minus 2 plus 1 into 3 minus y minus 2 into y minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, cross multiply. So what will happen? Inside minus 2x plus 3 minus y, next one minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 2 into 2, right? So minus 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 4. Minus 2x minus 5 minus 2y minus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Again, plus 6 is equal to 4 or minus 2x plus 6 is equal to minus 4. So plus sign, minus sign. Same procedure. Plus 6 minus 4 is equal to 0 or minus 6 plus 4 is equal to 0. So this becomes minus 2x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, or minus 2x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Right? Remove the minus sign here. 2x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here also minus sign. 2x plus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, locus is 2x plus 3y minus 2 into 2x plus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. So what we have done? We have taken area of the triangle models. Okay. Please note on this. Okay. Let us see one more problem on area of triangle. If A is minus 3 A is minus 5 minus 4, B is 1 minus 3 are 2 points. Are 2 points. Find the locus of the point P if area of the triangle is 7.5. So 1 by 2, what is the points? Minus 5 minus 3. What is the B point? Minus 1 3. So 1 by 2. X1 means x. Y2 minus y3. Minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3. Plus x2 is minus 5. Y3 minus y1. 3 minus 5. 3 minus y. X3 is what, sir? Minus 1. Y1 minus y2. Y1 minus y2. Y minus of minus 3 is equal to how much he has given now? 7.5. So 1 by 2. X into minus 6 minus 5 into 3 minus y minus 1 into y plus 3 is equal to 7.5. Now open the bracket means what? Minus 6x minus 15y plus 6 plus 5y. Okay, minus into minus plus. Minus y minus 3 is equal to 7.5 into 2. So minus 6x plus 4y minus 18 is equal to 15. Therefore 4 minus 18 is equal to 15, or minus 6x plus 4y minus 18 is equal to minus 15. So minus 6x plus 4y minus 18 minus 15 is equal to 0, or plus 15 is equal to 0. Same procedure, sir. Only same. There is no change in the procedure. So minus 6x plus 4y minus 33 is equal to 0, or minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 minus 18 plus 15. Remove the minus sign. 6x minus 4y plus 33 is equal to 0. Next one, 6x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, locus 6x minus 4y plus 33 into 6x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so today we have seen in this video area of the triangle, 4 problems. All these 4 problems are very, very important. Please note down this.